Okay, welcome back. Question again, 2391, question and answer, paper 33. Okay, and again, this is for you to read through yourself. So pause the worksheet, as I'm not going to be talking to you much on this. Okay, this is for your work and for yourself to work through. Okay. Again, 2391, question and answer, paper 33. Okay. Now remember, where it says 17th edition, this was done at the time of 17th edition. We're now approaching the 18th to 19th edition, so make sure that the regulation is still up to date. It is your responsibility to check, and check again. Okay? You must be up to the current standards of the IEE regulations. Do not ignore that. Okay. 2391, question and answer, paper 33. Okay, thank you. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.